So it's December 24th, Christmas Eve. Looking pretty darn slick, not gonna lie. Our Christmas tree, the boughs are a little sparse on the little fella, not gonna lie. So I went through the channel and I grabbed the highlights of each video of our IDI content and put them together in a nice little compilation. If you want, you can go watch the full videos, but this is just little snippets here and there, and you guys hopefully are going to enjoy it. It's basically just a bunch of IDI content. It's gonna be some slick. So I hope you guys enjoy this IDI special, and you guys have a Merry Christmas. I'll catch you guys in the next one really, really soon. Likely 2024. Can't wait.
So we have our diesel fuel filter here, and you can kind of already see a little bit of that sludge and ice that's stuck on the bottom. So slippery.
So here we got the app drag racer. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you can. We got a nice straightaway here. There we go. Ready to race. And then you just give her shit. So here we go. I'll put it up at the end what we do. I think that's all she's got on this road. It's a little bit too bumpy.
topic, Clay?
Friggin' church.
Stop at a church.
Woohoo! Alright, so we got our bagel. We got our nice coffee. You can hear the sweet, sweet harmonic hum of our 36 by 9 inch military tires. Just assaulting the road as we drive. We're gonna go down to the steel yard and basically offload this sucker, and I'll show you around the steel yard real quick, but I'll see you guys there.
It's always nice to have these old trucks for this exact reason. Didn't have to get a trailer, didn't have to do anything. Throw the scrap steel in the bed, haul her out. It works some slick.
I'm walking you.
Oh no! I'll never get out.
Fine. We'll put glow plugs in this thing. Ooh, jeez, nearly took out my phone. You guys have seen enough of my cold starts to know what an ether cold start looks like. So, let's see what a glow plug cold start works like. The situation that we got on for roads, not the worst food truck has ever seen, but this is just the freezing rain. Once we get up a little bit further north, we might get into some snow. All right, snow update. Freezing rain kind of screwed off, but now it's snow. So now we got a snowstorm. Getting a little bit more snowy as we go. You know how it is, Canadian North. we almost had it, but I freaked out because the starter re-engaged because my cobbled wiring came apart. But we almost had it. We had it running. I just got to get it running for a little bit more. Oh man, we're so close. It's starting to actually do the thing a little bit. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's like riding a bucking bronco though. Let's see what happens.
Night cab, it's outside, gonna start its work basically. She's not done, still got interior, still got some things to button up, but we're ready to start doing some testing. But yeah, that's the bird.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little blast from the past. Up to now, a lot of our RDI content. There's other stuff, but nothing you can sink your teeth into interesting that we could put in this compilation without watching the full video. But it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you guys once again. Maybe before the new year, but it's hard to say. See you guys. Have a Merry Christmas.